We've been closely following the Alex-Murdaugh trial now for the past 4 weeks, and today, as we have a break from court, Rachel Ripp has been looking into the process of how this widely watched case got to trial in the first place. Rachel?
That's right, J.R. Darcy. How fast a case gets to trial depends whether or not all parties are ready with evidence, witness scheduling, etc. for a case to get on the court's docket. Now, and legal director Sarah Ford, she explains the process behind the Alex-Murdaugh trial looks a whole lot different than in other cases.
A case making it to trial is at the liberty of several factors. Is evidence ready? Does the defense want to make a plea deal? But in the case of Alex-Murdaugh, all those factors came together in a coordinated effort in order for it to get to trial in a little over a year and a half after indictments. Sarah Ford is the legal director at the South Carolina Victim Assistance Network. For about 8 years of her career, she's specialized in advocating for victims of sexual assault, domestic violence, and violent crimes. She says the amount of time it took the Alex-Murdaugh double murder case to make it to trial has been a unique case in and of itself.
The speed at which they've been able to take this case from indictment to trial has been incredibly fast. I would say with COVID, especially, the average time for cases to be tried is 2.5 to 3 years, easy. It's not unheard of for victims to wait 3, 4, 5 years even before their case is called for trial. So the fact that this case, it happened in 2021, the summer of 2021, and now at the beginning of 2023, we're 4 weeks into a trial, is pretty amazing.
She says there are a few reasons for this: the high-profile nature of the case, the power and privilege of Mr. Murdaugh, and the repertoire Alex defense attorneys have. Ford explains she made a motion for a speedy trial recently, and she didn't get the result she wanted, explaining that apart from Alex-Murdaugh's exceptions, justice takes time. Typically, trials have 20 to 25 witnesses instead of over 200, Ford says. She adds that in her office, they still have cases from 8 years ago that still need to be tried.
It's deeply rooted in our Constitution to have a speedy and fair public trial.
Ford believes more cases, like Alex-Murdaugh's, need to get to trial faster.
We do need more prosecutors. We need more public defenders. We need more people to move the court system along faster, because if we continue to let cases sit, and I know no one's wanting that to happen, but that is what the result is, then successful prosecutions will be less and less.
Now, Ford tells me her office at the South Carolina Victim Assistance Network is currently working on over 300 cases. Reporting in studio, Rachel Ripp, News 19 WLTX.
Rachel, thank you. Court will resume at 9:30 tomorrow morning. You can watch the trial live and catch up on what you may have missed on all of our platforms, including the free WLTX Plus app, on our YouTube page, on the News 19 mobile app, or on our website at WLTX.com.